Here's Caleb using the big boy fork. And his hands. Good job. I'm not sure you can get much more in there, kiddo.